Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Madam Glam, Smelly Cat, I'm Fine, Hi I'm Chandler, and We Were on a Break. I'll be using Painted Desert medium square natural nails. Here is the Madam Glam peel off base coat. Not that I'm going to peel these off, but this is the Madam Glam base coat I had. So we're going to go on that nail tip with the base coat, giving it a swipey swipe frontwards and backwards, because you can do that on nail tips. You can't do that on your own nails or a client's nails, but you can do it on nail tips. So we've got all of them done. We're going to cure them in this Model 1's little cute cat lamp for 60 seconds. I'll be using Smelly Cat as my base color today. Oh, I've got something in with my paint on my polish. Maybe we can get that brushed off of there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful creams. I love these. I could not wait to do a manicure with these polishes. And this is probably the lightest one in that collection. That's why I'm using it as my base. I'm going to kind of hang it upside down, cure it for 60 seconds, and we're going to hop in with the second coat. We're going to do some playing today, you guys. I'm so excited. I am very, very excited about this one. It's one of those that I saw in my head, and I have to tell you, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's always nice when what you got going on up in the brain translates down to the nails. All right, second coat. Gonna cure that for 60 seconds. And then here is I'm Fine. Beautiful. And we also have Hi, I'm Chandler. And then We Were on a Break. All right, so I got a little like liner brush. It's a Maniology one, and I'm going to do some little stripes on my little stampy mat, or my messy mat, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do some lines beside each other because I'm going to do some playing with some of the blooming gels. So we're kind of marbling a little bit today, just a little bit. A little craziness, but I'm so excited. I hope you are. All right, I'll be using the Red Iguana Blooming Gel. I'm going to put a very thin coat of this on. I'm not going to cure it. You do not cure this yet. You get it on there, nice, super thin layer. You do not need a lot of this. You don't want it to wrinkle when you go to cure it. So there we go. I'm going to take that liner brush and drag it through the colors. And then I'm just going to swipey swipe from each side. You know, just leaving some space in between each of them for them to bloom some. And we're going to let it do its thing. And that's what I love about the blooming gels, is you just let it go. It does the work for you. So we're going to let that do its thing. And once it's totally done blooming, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. But we're going to move on to the next nail. Going to get that blooming gel onto the nail. And we're going to do some swippy swiping with the liner brush. Just dragging it straight down through. I don't know that I got any on that time. Let's see if we got some polish on there. There we go. All right. And I wasn't trying to do like a tiger thing. I don't want y'all thinking that I was going for, I mean, because this is kind of how you would do like a tiger image. But that's not, I just wanted to have some blank spaces between my bloomings. And once it's bloomed, I will cure it. And then I'll top these with the Madam Glam glossy top coat. And you can see they bloomed out and swirled a bit with each other. And you're still seeing some of the base color, which is exactly what I wanted. I really, really wanted that. Very pretty. Love it. All right. Going to cap that free edge. And then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to use these little glue tabbies to apply this to the nail. Smear that thing down on the nail, mushy mush. Use my little tool to make sure it's sticking really well. And then the pinchy end, the tweezer end, we're going to pull that little plastic tab off so that the sticky side is now sticky, ready for the nail. And here we go. Here we go. And I've got 2 pictures today, one with the ring and one without the ring. There's the one with the ring, my Timu rings, and one without. I really had fun with this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.